Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the cap. Open your in-game overlay or a lightweight FPS counter so you know the baseline. Once done, quit overlays like Discord or NVIDIA Shadow Play that can impose limits. Then navigate directly to the place you'll change settings, the Game Options menu, or your GPU control panel, because making changes there avoids conflicts and ensures you modify the right limiter rather than an unrelated performance setting. You now remove software caps, open the game's graphics options, and switch off VSync and any explicit FPS limiter. This directly stops the engine from capping output. Next, check Windows settings and game mode. Make sure it's not forcing a behavior that interacts oddly with your driver. Then open your GPU control panel and disable framerate target, enhance sync, or any application-specific cap, so the driver won't override the games. You finish by restarting the game to apply changes and immediately check your FPS overlay to confirm the limiter is gone. If performance spikes or thermal issues appear, dial back graphical settings to stabilize frame delivery and temperature. Should a cap persist, make sure to reset any custom profiles in your GPU control panel. If that fails, perform a clean driver reinstall. That removes hidden settings and often resolves stubborn limits without further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.